That's a distributor for product in Germany. He's just showing me the products. I've seen them and I've seen some good reviews on them. So let's see what he has. What he has to say. All right, boss.
Okay. So, the products we have. This is the first product, course one. It's a great cut level 9, and it's an acceptable gloss level for a coarse product. Okay, this is the first product you should use for deep scratches. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for sure, this is gonna haze up the paint if it's a darker product.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the second product is fine cut. It has less level than the coarse product, and it says
Gloss 7.
gloss level of 7.
And that's
yeah.
F6.
Yeah, F6. Yeah.
And you got M3.
Yeah, the F it does fine, 6 does the cut level. Okay. The finishing product is micro cut. We have you see the cut level, you see the gloss level, it's a great gloss level. Good thing about this, they don't have any silicone, they don't have any oil, so they don't feel. Never. So you can, after you use it, you can try to clean with
surface flip?
Yeah, for alcohol, so you don't see any difference. So alcohol cleans.
So it's the actual like paint, not the fillers covering up the scratches.
No filler. You can just try to clean out with alcohol. You will not see any difference. So.
And it's ready for ceramic coating.
Exactly. Yeah.
Do you have all-in-one?
No.
This company don't sell an all-in-one.
We don't have all-in-one.
You sell pads?
We sell also pads. Yeah, okay. They're on the website. Let me show you. Yeah, the pads we have, we recommend it. You recommend using them, but you don't have to.
Yeah,
yeah.
Okay.
You don't have all-in-ones, but I see many people finishing with this, starting with this, finishing with this, because it's a good gloss level. Also, I've seen.
So I ended up buying the 8-ounce bottles compound polishing and finishing polish. I heard of this company. I've read upon them. So these guys actually came to me about 2 years ago when I had my first location. They were selling me this product, and then I just looked into it. I did my research, and I just never really contacted them. But they're going to be the main distributors here in Houston. This is some good stuff.